Hello everyone, welcome to another AWS and Terraform tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create multiple EC2 instances using the Terraform. And you can see these all instances are quite identical in a particular sequence. And this in right now EC2 instance is very popular service from the AWS platform. And EC2 instance on the AWS side, we have different types of different size, different type, and different operating systems also. So different type means I am talking about the size level like micro size, medium size, large size, nano size. So the and operating system level, I am talking about the Linux operating system. We have Linux operating system EC2 instance, Ubuntu operating level. Operating EC2 instance, Windows, Mac OS. So we have different types of EC2 instance. Mostly, if you have such a kind of requirement to deploy multiple EC2 instance for a small scale project or any production project, and you have a very less time to complete this. So I think this is the tutorial they gonna help. So before going to go to the lab, just I want to show you I don't have any EC2 instance on my account here. And as usual, we need to set up authentication between EC2 management console and Visual Coder. So let's get started. Parallelly, we also need to create some provider.tf, then main.tf, and variable also created if you really required. So I am going to keep this practice every time, so it will gonna help you in while going to deploy your project also. So I have created these files, so I am going to add provider details from the here. I already set up the authentication. I want to show you here. Let me, if you are still struggling with the authentication setup, just go and check my previous video. So you have to go in IAM. Here is my username. Then go to this security credential. If the authentication is not been created, you can generate. So I have just created here. This is the access key. You can create from here and just uh, take that and set up the authentication. But I'll show you here also. So this is the three file I have created. Okay, let's add the provider details. So you gonna you need to search this again, resource AWS instance. So we are going to create multiple EC2 instance. So I have searched this resource. So this is the provider details. Here I am going to copy this. Just copy, go to the code, Visual Coder, add here and save it. So I want to show you one more thing. Let me go to the terminal, then new terminal. If you are still struggling, let me show you AWS config between. This is a this is the we are going to set up authentication between Visual Code and your AWS account. So AWS config, you need to type enter. So it is asking the same AWS key, access key and password key will ask. So I have already added, you can just verify. So this is the access key, go to here and see here. Okay, you can also again add here, copy, add. It is the same actually, secret access key. So guys, I want to show you one thing. So see here, default region I already set US dash east dash 1. So this is the one. You can also add a similar to here, which I have added a provider. So suppose you want to add here, so you can do just one thing. Just go here, just add a region is equal to double quotation, and you can copy and add here similarly US dash east dash 1. So you can add a provider region here also. Let me save this. So we are going to add, and here also I'm going to keep the same, and output format is also none. So our authentication is been done, and our region also I have added here. Okay, so let's go and save it. Now our main configuration started. So we are going to set up these three EC2 instance. So here is a resource I have searched. So let me go down here, and I'm going to copy only resource. So this is the resource I am going to copy and add in my main file. So here it is showing something red, so I think I have missed a curly bracket. Yeah, so here I need to add curly bracket. Yeah, so see guys, I have taken a resource name. I am going to change the resource name with, I am going to refer this one. Okay, where is my diagram? So we are going to rename with this one, sales instance. Sales instance. So we are going to same, but this is just a reference name. This is the resource block. This is the resource name. This is the reference name actually. And now this is the AMI image. Uh, we will replace this because this is the covered in the documentation part. Uh, Usually AWS change the AMI image very frequently, and that is reason we need to verify our EC2 instance image also. Just go to the EC2 instance. So in this video we are going to create with Ubuntu actually. So here is the launch EC2 instance. Just go and click there. Let's scroll down later. Now this is right now Amazon Linux AMI is occurred here. I want to Ubuntu. So see here I have click on Ubuntu option image. So I'm going to choose this free tier eligible. So I am going to choose this one, and it is a T2 micro. You can see, you can copy from here also, but in this video we are going to use Ubuntu. Usually you can choose any one. It is up to you. Red Hat, Windows, or Mac OS, and this one also you can choose. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one and add in here. This is not needed. So see guys, I have added a AMI image here also, and EC2, sorry, instant type is the same. I'm not going to change here. So now I want to give the name for this instance, and I want to increase the count. Because we have to in we have to create let me we have to create a three instance. So there is a one concept in Terraform which called as argument. Argument we can use count, and we are going to create a three instance. That's it. This is the count we are going to use. So now this count is not just argument. This is the, we can say, uh, uh, meta argument actually. This is the meta argument we are going to use, and this mostly there is one more thing, but this is a very simple because we are going to deploy identical this EC2 instance for application. So I'm going to give this. So what will happen here, if I create only with this name, I want to give the name because I have here some sales instance name. Let me try to give a name here. Name is equal to sales instance. So see guys, it giving me the red line. Okay, if I click here, it shows me unexpected attribute. The an attribute named name is not expected here. So this is an incorrect sentence. Sorry, a syntax. So it is not allowing. So either this much syntax is also enough to create a resource. Let me show you and execute this one. it will create your EC2 instance also. Let's see. So let's say Terraform init. Okay. So see, it is initialization is been started. It is installing this HashiCorp 5.42.0 version. Only with three parameter with three argument we are going to create a three EC2 instance. So see, initialization has been complete. Now let's clear this and we'll go and see Terraform plan. We are going to execute this and let's see what is the summary will come here. So see guys, it is showing to add three EC2 instance. Let's go and see the summary. This is the summary. Okay, let's go up, up. Okay, here it is started with AWS EC2, sorry, AWS instance sales instance 0 will created with this image. Okay, the name is not shown here anywhere. See, then AWS instance sales instance in bracket 1 with same image. Then if you go down, here it is the AWS instance sales instance 2 will be added, sorry, will be created. Again the same image, but name is not displayed anywhere. But let's go and deploy. We'll see that here apply dash auto dash approve. So let's go and deploy these three EC2 instance. So three to added, it is creating with 0 1 2. But let's see what is the and how we are going to identify this one. It is creating. Let's jump to our management console. Let's click here EC2 instance and EC2 instance, here it is option. It is still loading. See guys, EC2 instance is created with this EC2 instance type. It is created in this region. Okay, US East, sorry, this ability zone, but same region, US dash East dash 1, and they have choose particular ability zone. Okay, so if you see here and our syntax also, I haven't defined any name here. This is the reference name, but I want a name particular with our diagram. This is our diagram. I want to name like this one, sales instance 0 1 2. So now my all instances are here, but name is not there for anyone. So we need to add a tag. Let's add a tags here, then curly bracket name is equal to what we are going to give the name sales instance. So this is the instance we are going to. So I have given a name. Let's save it. So again we need to now it should be go like this 1 0 1 2, and let's see, we will execute the plan again. Terraform refreshing the stages. Now it giving me this 3 to change. 0 to add and 0 to destroy. Here it is the tag is updating, guys. See, for every instance. But let's go and deploy. Let's see. So here also for sales instance 2, it is giving this name. For first one also, it is giving the same name. Let's see. Let's add to it. It is still okay. It is added, I guess. Yeah, it is modifying. Let's see. Here it is. Nothing is there. Let's see. See guys, it is added, but it added with only same name. I want to be a this is the EC2 sales instance 0, this is 1, this is 2 with sequence with counting 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 10, 15. If you want to increase up to 10, you can increase, that is not a problem. But I want to be something sequence. So here it go. So I need to refer one concept that is called indexing. So we are going to use that concept index count.index. So here you need to define count.index. So this is the concept we are going to use. Usually, okay, let me clear. So this count indexing start with 0. Let me show you one thing. Whenever you will create here indexing like this indexing count.indexing will go like this one. Start with 0 in bracket, square bracket. Then next count will in again second bracket 0, 1 and next 2. So see, this is the 0, this is the 1, this is the 2. And this count means this one. This is the 1, this is the 2 and this is 3. This count is nothing but this one. Okay, this 3 is nothing but 1, 2, 3. And this indexing will follow this sequence 0, 1, 2. Okay, let me clear this once again. This is very simple, right? We are just not clearing few doubts. This is a very important concept, how to use indexing and count indexing and similar deploy similar kind of EC2 instance. So here we are going to use only this much code we need to update here. Okay, so let's go and deploy again. So Terraform, okay, let me save first. So here Terraform applies I have added. Let's see. So again it is shows the same thing, but I want to name should be similar. See now it is showing a sales instance 2. Here it is sales instance 1. So let's go and see. I have apply Terraform apply add to approve. Currently it shows me Terraform sorry sales instance for all. Let's see now. It is still updating. Okay, I think it is done. Now let's refresh again. It is updated to. It is updated all now. See guys, with the help of this we have updated all. So this kind of web EC2 instance you can use for front-end service, then web applications, then web services. So it is useful for small scales companies and small scale projects, or even for lower environment you can deploy this kind of. Suppose you want to deploy more like 5, 50, 55. Okay, double five. So you want to increase here it will create that much incident. You don't need to add multiple time this similar syntax. Usually we do to create two instance, we added a two time this resource syntax here and there here also. But in this count case, this count is nothing but the mega argument we are going to use, and this is the count.indexing is the uh, it's indexing concept. Okay, so this is a very huge let me show you this 55. Let me I'm not going to create, but I'm going to show you in a here plan. Okay, I think it is not saved, but let me show you. It is, let's see. No changes. Let me save it first and then again apply. Let me Terraform plan. It will create a till here. There is no problem. You can create that much. There is no limit actually here, but again we are not going to. But I am going to show you something which is very interesting in this concept. So see, it will show you plan. Actually, we are not going to deploy that much. See, guys, it added a till 55 incident just the 2 to 3 seconds. It is less than 2 to 3 seconds. It is just added all entries here. So see, it is so quickly it is creating resource. Even you can create a VPC subnet, multiple subnets and all that. That is also fine, guys. You can just create that much. It is very important, and uh, I think that's it for this today's. If you have any doubt on this topic or this concept, you can just the topic is mostly important. We can create a multiple. You can create a multiple EC2 instance as well as module also. I mean, multiple resources with the help of count and count indexing. This is a very important topics I have covered here. So if you have any still doubt, you can just comment on this video. I will help you. And if you like my videos, please share, like, and subscribe my channel. And see you in a next video. Thank you.